Welcome. This is the first of a series of hearings that the Human Rights Commission is holding to determine the status of human rights in Tennessee. My name is Beverly Watson. I am the Executive Director of the Commission, and we're pleased to be here in Memphis today at Rhodes College to start what we believe will be a good journey and an enlightening journey across the state. We're starting in Memphis and we're working our way east and then coming back and finishing in Nashville. I believe you all have the dates for other hearings, so if you know of persons who wish to testify, they can make application on our website and appear at other hearings across the state. We hope to do this by grand divisions. That's how this state works, as we well know, and determine what we know about what we know and what we know about what we don't know. Our agency has been around for 50 years, and we're in the business of investigating claims of discrimination. We hear a lot of things, but some things don't come to us, but it is part of the landscape in which we operate, and we want to try to define that as we move forward to our next 50 years. Today we have a series of witnesses. I believe we have somewhere around 8 or 9 witnesses that are scheduled to testify. Not all are here today, but let me do something first and let me introduce to you our commissioners from West Tennessee. Actually, they're all from Memphis these days. All right. At one point we had a couple from Jackson, but that's no longer the case. We have Jocelyn Wurzburg, who is an alum of this great institution, and a Memphian, and the person responsible for writing our law, and someone most people in Memphis should know, and if not, should be ashamed. Our newest commissioner is Rita Salberg. She was just appointed by the governor. This is one of her first official outings, so we're welcoming her for the first time. Welcome, Commissioner. And Commissioner Reverend Ralph White, who pastors a church. What is your church? Bloomfield Baptist. Now, I've been there. I know how to get there. Bloomfield Baptist Church here in Memphis. We may have 2 other commissioners coming in. One is David Cock, an attorney, and the other is Reverend Robert Jones, also a pastor in the city. So we're going to get started, and I'm going to ask Sabrina Hooper, our deputy, to come up to just give you an overview of some of the commission's work and activities. We're not going to take long, and then we're going to get started hearing from those in the audience who've come to provide testimony on a variety of subjects. You have an agenda before you, but if people are not here, we're going to go to whoever's here and start the testimony. We are expecting the mayor at 10:30, so that's the only person we have scheduled at a time slot. So we're going to try to accommodate his time. But other than that, we're going to move around to get all of this done. So, Sabrina?